Dear professionals and students, welcome to PracticeGuru Excel Shorts, where we discuss about lot of Excel tricks and tips which you can use in your day-to-day operations to make your work fast. So today we will learn about a formula which will help you to find exact match between two lists. So here I have list 1 and list 2 where name of the students are written which we want to compare. So in the cell type is equal to, open a bracket, then write exact, that is our formula, then open bracket, then take first value, then comma, then second value, then close the bracket and enter. So the result I am getting is false, because even if the name Aman is same in both the cells, the A in the first list is capital and A in the second list is small, so it is giving me result as false. So now what I will do is, we'll copy this formula and paste it against all the rows. Now we are getting result for every line. The second line, it is saying true, which means the values are matching. In the third, obviously it is not matching, Nia and Ria. In the third, it is fourth, it is matching. Next, it is not matching because M is capital in the first list, it is small in the second list. And again I am getting false because the spelling of Shaurya is different in two lists. This way you can compare results of two lists very fast. Tell us how did you like this trick, and to learn such tricks and tips, keep watching our YouTube channel Practice Guru. Also subscribe to our channel if you are new to it. Thank you for watching. Take care.